Engine 4, Squad 2, Ladder 1, Car 2 respond. Hackensack of Route 1 and 9 on an MVA involving a tractor trailer, possible extrication. Engine 4, Squad 2, Ladder 1, Car 2 respond. Hackensack Avenue and Route 1 and 9, MVA, tractor trailer, possible extrication. Time of your alarm is 0453 hours. Squad 2. Be advised, this appears to be a serious motor vehicle accident. Serious injuries involved.
Engine 4, we have a multi-vehicle accident, multiple trucks involved. I can't see exactly what's going on. I'll let you know what we'll need.
If you're on the scene, 0458. Dispatch state of by engine 4.
We have one trap in the cab of a sanitation truck. If you could have Squad 2 come down, Circle Ave, 1 and 9. We're on the corner here, right under the Hackensack 1 and 9 crash site.
You want them to respond down Hackensack?
Yeah, second to Hackensack, 1 and 9.
Second to Hackensack. 0500 hours, squad. Stand by, command.
You have a trauma unit coming.
KPD has BLS and ALS responding.
Okay, we got a garbage truck driver having stopped. All hands are working at this time.
Received. All hands working. Active in traffic. 0512.